Just of recently, Nigeria Air Force owes over 4.34 billion naira, and they refuse to pay. They owe the electricity bill of 4.34 billion naira, and they are refusing to pay. This is really, really sad. The Nigerian Air Force is being owned by the Nigerian government. So why can't the Nigerian government pay for an electricity just 4.34 billion naira? I don't know. Just of recently, the Electricity Commission went to go and disconnect the Air Force light. So the Air Force boys, they marched down to the Electricity Commission and beat up everybody over there, which is very, very sad because you guys are owing. You should pay up. Those people need money. They are running the company. If they don't want to pay up, let government sign a decree that all governmental institutes like Army, Navy, Air Force, and police should not be paying electricity bill. That's how they're supposed to go about it. This is really, really sad for Nigeria.